Schnabel buried installation. No plastering required. For the concealed burial installation system, we have the single and the double concealed installation clip. Drilling holes into a brick wall is made easy by the lance drill. Don't worry, many professionals are seeing it for the first time and are amazed at what it can do. Fitting conduit is no longer a chore. The automatic buried clamp is unique. Support anchors and locking terrace anchors also hold bulky bundles of cable easily in the wall. Compared to conventional methods, Schnabel saves you up to 60% of your working time.